The objective of your tactical meeting is to collaborate with your support resources in order to solve daily department issues. Your attendees at this meeting, they should be anybody that can help you solve short-term production problems. Every plant's a little bit different, but typically you want your lead resources there, along with maintenance planning and maybe engineering, quality, and/or purchasing. But you need to evaluate this for yourself. And so to establish your list of meeting attendees, ask yourself who can help you solve problems and adjust the production plan to meet your daily goals. You want to have this meeting in an office or a conference room near your department. You are the facilitator of this meeting and not the leader. Although you're going to be standing up in front of everybody and discussing the department issues, you're really looking to conduct a collaborative meeting. Although you present the issues to the group, you're looking for them to help you solve the production problems and to accept some of the action items too. Use a dry erase board to conduct this meeting and document all the department issues by jotting down talking points for each one. Agree to the action items and assign the actions to the meeting participants, and don't erase any issues until the action item is 100% complete. These tactical meetings are easy to conduct. Just populate the board with simple talking points that describe the issues. You just need to send out one recurring meeting invite for the same time and place each day. And you only need to establish ground rules if the participants are constantly in violation of basic etiquette. Everything is on the board, so your admin work is minimal. Just keeps the allotted amount of time for your meetings and you're all set.